It's 20 past 5. It's the second morning of cold, winter, rainy, crappy. This is summer. We're in summer right now, December. And this is cold. It's like 16 degrees again. It's cold, it's wet. It doesn't really look good for my daily surf, but that's another story. Right now though, I'm going back inside. There's nothing to see out here. No sunrise to be seen. Look at the cloud everywhere. Look at that. There's cloud everywhere. I want to go back inside because one of the givers, Bernard, remember my zipper has been broken on my backpack, my Manfrotto backpack, and Bernard told me a method to fix it, and I didn't do it correctly. Well, he sent me a follow-up email and showed me how to do it absolutely correctly. I'm pretty keen to give it a test. By the way, that's not going to get dry. Not in this weather. I got to keep my voice down because it's still early and Mum's asleep. Alright, so now I can talk. Here's my bag. How am I going to do this now? I've got to put this up somehow, don't I? So Bernard Mrozek sent me another message and he said, dude, watch this video and you will get it sorted. So I watched the video and now I'm going to get it sorted. If I can stand that up for you, like that. So, here's the broken zip, right? Might crank that light up a little bit. Now, what he suggested, we know that it doesn't work like that. Whoops. So he said, take the pliers, get them on an angle where it's broken. So where it's broken like that, just pinch these points in. Am I showing you that correctly? Pinch in these points here and here like this. So let's try that. Do it kind of gently. Pinch that in and pinch that in. Oh, it didn't work. Let's try that again. Maybe I'm doing it. Maybe I'm pinching incorrectly. Maybe I'm not going to be able to do this. Pinch it in. And pinch it in. And now drag it down and test it. Nah. Alright. You know what? I'm just going to have to say, this Manfrotto backpack, great backpack, fantastic backpack. I really enjoyed it while it lived. While it lived. The zipper's busted. Does anyone want to buy a Manfrotto backpack from me? I need to get a new one. Manfrotto, you're It's only about 1.5 years old.